Well, there is one issue with this car so far. Obviously the clutch is all fine, it drives all fine, but for some reason, watch this, ABS light's on. The ABS light is on. Now what could that possibly be? So I'm going to get the old Maxi Pro out and we plug it into the OBD, which is down by there, and let's see what it says. ABS is what I need. I reckon it's probably because it's been lifted by a forklift. The wire's been damaged. Read codes. Left rear wheel speed sensor input signal missing or signal is not plausible. Touch ya. Left rear. So that is the one that's got a new drum on it. I bet it's been damaged. So it's got that code. So we'll take a look at that. Well guys, that's one of the reasons why the ABS ain't working. I think that's a bit mullered. So you're going to have to buy another one of them. But the annoying thing is, guess what? You've got to buy the whole thing, 50 quid. Not just one sensor, which is all I need. You've got to replace that side as well because it's whole joined into a single wire. What a nightmare. Hi guys, flipping cars from players down here. How you all doing? Right, guess what? We're on the Fiesta today, and I've basically, what I've done, put new ABS sensor on both sides, and it hasn't actually sorted out the issue. So now the next thing is there's no signal from the passenger side on the diagnostic. So I reckon it is this. So need to whip the wheel off, take the drum off and everything, and basically put a new one of these on. So I'm going to do that now. Alright everyone, it looks like to me someone's put a nice new one. As you can see, this is the sensor I've already put in, that's all good. So the only thing I can see is look at the wear and tear on this. That is not meant to be like that. And then we'll put this one on, and then we're fingers crossed to see if it works. If not, then this sensor is obviously not very good. And I bought a cheap one, and the quality obviously isn't as good as what you're supposed to get. Right, so what we'll do is we'll whip this one off now. Right, that came off quite easy. So I'm wondering if it wasn't put on very well. But also I noticed that this magnet looks huge compared to this one. That could make a difference, but it might not. But maybe these lines are closer together. So we'll just have to see. So what we're going to do is go and take this to the bench now. We'll get a piece of wood and tap that round gently with a hammer, and we'll push it on and fix it all so it's all ready to go back in. see, guys, just driving now. I don't know if you can see that, but the numbers are exactly the same when I'm going slow. Before, it was all over the place. Same when I go slow, which means if I move this now, there you go, guys, ABS light's gone off. I'll give it a good run and the ABS light stays off and I've fixed the issue. So if you like this content, guys, please like and subscribe. Guys, these cars, right, this is 2007 plate, and these cars drive so nice. It's done 111,000, and no lie, I don't know why people want them horrible Agos, Citroens, the bloody Peugeots. These cars are so much better to drive. They've got a much better engine. Yeah, fair enough, this 1.4 and the 1.2 is pretty much the same, but they're just so practical, built so much better than them other ones. Anyone that wants to buy one of them are stupid. These, they don't really rust either. Them Agos and all that, they completely rust all the time. This is 2007 and there ain't a single bit of rust or corrosion on the bottom, right? So now it seems like the ABS is all fixed. So the next thing to do is well, basically wash it up a little bit just so it looks presentable for the MOT. Take for the MOT this week and give it a good old interior clean, everything else, and then this will be up for sale because this drives absolutely superb. In fact, do you know what? It doesn't even feel like it's done 111,000 miles. The gearbox is so tight and smooth, there's no like clonking, there's no bangs or rattles on this car. I'm actually really pleased with this car, to be honest. There is a lot of crappers around and this is driving like an actual dream. Alright guys, it is D-Day. I'm taking the Fiesta to an MOT now. And let's see if it passes. Fingers crossed. It should pass. If not, we just do the work. It's not the end of the world. We'll just do the work and then it'll be all done. But it's all been washed, ready for sale. Just got to do a couple more things. Just got to do mirror. What else? Mirror and give it a good old polish. So yeah, next bit you'll see me whether I'm happy or sad. Sure, I never understand, yeah, so many people slate Fords, right? Or they prefer a Peugeot or a Citroen or a Toyota, yeah, but trust me, this Ford is a 07 plate, it's done 111,000 miles, and it drives so nice. The gear changing's amazing, every gear goes into gear perfect, there's literally no wiggle in it. It doesn't feel like you're bloody trying to stir a soup. Unlike them Citroen C1s and the what was it, C1s, a Peugeot 107, the Toyota Aygo. This actually feels like a car. Them other things feel like you're sitting in a bloody bean can, trying to drive it. They're so noisy. The engines are horrible. Yeah, fair enough, they're 1 litre, but this It's driving so nice. The engine's so quiet. The suspension's really smooth. I could actually have this car as a daily and I'll be happy. There's literally not a single knock or clonk on the suspension. It just drives superb. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to say something. I've had loads of like 2013, 14, whatever Fiestas, yeah? And no lie, this 07 plate drives exactly like it. Considering it's like, God knows how many years older, it drives amazing. Right, enough of me kissing the arse of this Fiesta. Let's go to the MOT place. Right guys, car has gone in for the MOT and it has passed. But wheel bearing has slight play near side rear. That was the one that was playing up, and I put the new ABS ring on. So I'm going to buy a new wheel bearing for that, because it's obviously maybe where I was hammering it too hard, I've damaged the wheel bearing. Not the end of the world. Brake disc worn on the front. I just put some new brake discs and pads on. I'm going to, they're only like 50-60 quid. And brake pipe corroded. It's not actually major, it's nothing really crazy, it's just starting to corrode. It's quite common on these, so I'm going to look for a new brake pipe and replace that as well, so then all of it be advisory free. I could have had it failed, but I need the car passed so I can put it on the road now, so I can tax it and then we'll go from there. So now all them bits on eBay or whatever, and we'll do that soon and fit them.